Presenting Mi Notebook Pro Thin and Light Laptop. It has Windows 10 Home operating system and it weighs 1.4 kilograms. The laptop features 11th generation Intel Tiger Lake Core i7-11370H processor, 12 MB cache, 4 cores, 8 threads, 3.3 GHz of base speed and up to 4.8 GHz maximum speed. The 16 GB DDR4 RAM and Intel Iris Xe graphics gives you a smooth performance. The 512GB SSD makes sure that you can store all your music, movies and pictures. The 14-inch IPS QHD Plus resolution, 16:10 aspect ratio, 100% sRGB, 215 ppi, 1000:1 contrast ratio, anti-glare and TUV low blue light provides you an immersive experience. Inside the box you will find the power adapter, user manual, notebook and power cord.